How to schedule reels on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can schedule reels on Instagram. So let's get started. If you are an influencer or if you have a page and you're really busy, you have to post daily, you can actually schedule your post. It's really easy to do. What you guys have to do is simply go to a platform known as buffer.com. You can also access it on your phone and you have to just create your account. Creating your account is really easy. You can just create an account with your email address. Once you have your account, this is where you will get, and you can see it's actually a social media managing platform that allows you to manage your post, create campaigns, and actually manage your social media. We can also schedule our post, videos, and reels for our Instagram. So the first step is connecting your Instagram to your buffer. So I'm going to click on connect channel. And then you can select any of the options given here. We have TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Shopify, and of course, Instagram. So I'm going to click on connect. And we can also, of course, log in with our Facebook as Instagram is also provided by Meta. So I'm just going to go with this one. Once your Instagram is connected, then you can click on create post. And right here, what we can do is we can select that what we want to add, and you will enter your video right here because reel is a video. And once you enter your video, then you can also select the date. We also get a calendar view right here. And let's say that I want to post my reel on at 8 p.m. on Friday. So I can just click on this option and it will again allow me to add my video, and that's it. I will be able to schedule my reel on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.